I knew that I was going to dedicate my life to nature because of where I grew up and who I grew up with. We spent a lot of time in Bermuda and I would see dolphins there and I just fell madly in love with dolphins and whales. Then I saw the Iki Island dolphin slaughter on television and I couldn't eat for a week. I was shocked that humans could do this to any animal, but especially a dolphin and a whale. And it just made me dedicate my life at that moment. Studying whales is challenging. Once you get in the water, you are changing their behavior. But with the drones, they just do their own thing.
We get to watch them how fast, how deep they're going, how they're migrating. It's endless.
We see what we've never seen before and what the world has never seen before.
Whale research. This is Tony on fishing vessel Bluefish. Do you copy?
Hi Tony, good morning. Copying loud and clear.
Hey, I'm reporting 3 whales off Black Rock.
Are you with them right now?
Yeah, they're heading south and one just reached.
Okay, we're on our way. Good luck fishing. Catch the big one and we'll see you out there. Me takimata. For 25 years, I've always said I need the perfect team. And they've come and gone and come and gone, and I have the perfect team right now. We have to do a lot when we see a whale. Immediately, voice recorder, is there a female and a calf? Is there a primary escort? Who's gonna get in the water? Where are your flippers? My team is ready. You've gotta be on the ball all the time. I'm kind of hard on them sometimes on the boat, but then we laugh and we tell jokes and we have a really good time.
Flying the drone is a team effort. There's 2 of us on land and 2 of us on the boat. As I'm flying, Alyssa's talking on the radio. Okay, the whales just came up at our 10 o'clock for 100 meters, and so off I go in that direction. And then it's just a matter of finding them, following them, hoping that they don't dive all of a sudden. So it's very intense. I make it sound a bit calmer than it is. But it's so good having the team effort. It's really fun.
We're finding out more stuff from drones than I ever could imagine. What's so beautiful about it is that we can use the images that we collect for conservation initiatives, and for me, that's the biggest thing ever. There was a calf that we filmed for 6 days. I learned that he got caught in a long line and he drowned. And I think I cried for a week. It's hard. It's hard. I won't give up though. Whales are too important. I really believe in teaching and raising awareness. They have emotions, they have feelings, they love their babies like we love our babies. They are kind of like us. Using drones will be a huge part of saving whales. The images of them alone will stop people from killing whales because you see them in such a beautiful way.